We're now going to use Google Docs to create a very basic spreadsheet. Over at the left-hand side, click on the word Create, and then move your mouse down and select Spreadsheet. If you've used a spreadsheet program before, this will look very familiar. The columns are identified with letters across the top of the screen. The rows are identified with the numbers along the side of the screen. And then you have your toolbars and menus that you can select options. All you need to do is click and move your mouse into the cell that you want to type at and start entering your data. And when you have something that needs calculated, you won't calculate it in your mind. You will put your cursor where you want the answer to show, and then you will type an equation such as equal sign, and then you can either click on the cell or type the cell B1 or move your cursor there. And I want to take B1 minus B2 to get the answer for what will be in cell B3. When I have that complete, I just hit enter and then my number appears. If I ever go back and change this information, notice when I hit enter that net pay will automatically change, because it is using the numbers inside the cells B1 and B2 to calculate the answer for what will appear in B3. And so that's basically how you use a spreadsheet. It has the same features as all the others. You can put items in bold. You can change their text color. You can format them. There will be another tutorial on using the Google spreadsheets specifically, but that gives you an idea of how you can start doing that. Notice that it says at the top, all changes saved, so it does save your changes periodically, and it's saving it under the name Untitled Spreadsheet. You can click this arrow to go back to the Google Docs homepage, or I like to just close out of this tab up at the top, and then I go back to the tab for my home Google Docs. Now, instead of leaving it called Untitled Spreadsheet, I can right-click, rename it, and give it a more logical name. And that's how you create a spreadsheet in Google Docs.